What's up, everybody? This is Tim from LiveCaseBreak.com. We have a divisional case break on the brand new 2012 Topps 5-Star Baseball. Good stuff here. We've got Josh with 4 divisions. He's got the AL and NL East, the AL Central, and the NL West. Barry has the NL Central, and Jose has the American League West. So here we go. Good luck, guys. 3-box case here. Should be at minimum 15 hits and 18 total cards to go around. And there's the old big white filler they stuck in all these 5-star cases. Very weird. Never seen it any case before. Weird stuff. And box 3. There we go. No peanuts. There shouldn't ever be peanuts in a sealed case, guys. If there's peanuts in a sealed case you got, it's been tampered with. Oh, some sort of bug in there. Nasty. Oh. Freaking spider in there. That is disgusting. Ugh. Yeah, you guys just figured out live that I freaking hate spiders more than anything. So there's something you guys can pick on me about now. I absolutely despise spiders. And a friggin' spider stuck under the tape there. I don't know. Big sissy. There you go, Barry. Yep, our boxes are tampered. Okay, here we go. Box 1, box 2, and box 3. Alright guys, good luck. Here we go, box 1. Divisional break. Holy shit, we have a 101 bat knob. Oh my god. Wow, nothing like opening up a box and seeing a 101 bat knob. Oh my god. Of an absolute legend of the game. Here we go. I'll put that one on the bottom. And we have 2 redemptions in here as well. Alright, here we go. Chris Sale. 33 out of 99 for the White Sox. So the first hit goes to the AL Central, Josh, out of 99. Second auto is 5-star, active and retired, single autograph relic, Jesus Montero for the Mariners. So AL West, so Jose with a hit. So Josh off the skunk board and Jose off the skunk board. Next up, Edgar Martinez for the Mariners, so Jose with another hit. Blue ink out of 208 for the Mariners. Next hit is Joe Mauer, active player autograph, AL Central for the Twins, so another one for Josh. Joe Mauer, active player autograph. And that is for Josh, so another one for Josh. Let me get a filler to put over this bat knob. Unreal. There we go, Andre Ethier for the Dodgers. So the NL West gets the 3rd card. 67 out of 80, Ethier. Here we go, guys. Bat knob time for 5-star. Good luck. The very first bat knob we have pulled out of 5-star. I believe this is the 9. We've done 7 case breaks. 9th case. 9th case of 5-star. Here's the first bat knob. It is OZZIE Smith. OZZIE Smith of the Cardinals. Barry. Wow. 1 of 1. And it's got a 1 on the bat. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome. OZZIE Smith, 1 of 1. Goes to Barry. That is simply amazing. Absolutely. Wow. Barry, see if you can text Larry, see if he'll wake up. Unreal. OZZIE Smith 101. That is so sick. Wow, 101. Yeah, game used right there. Game used bat knob. Yep. If I can get it to focus there. It says it right underneath the knob and it's not going to focus, so. There it goes. Game used bat knob right there. There are no words, guys. That is just unreal. Wow. Barry, we're going to have some fun selling this one for you unless you want to keep it. You let me know if you want to keep it and I'll ship it right out to you. 1 of 1. Wow. Unreal. Alright, so everyone's off the skunk board. Everyone's got at least 2 autos or a bat knob. That's right. Everyone in the break has 2 autos or a bat knob. There you go, box 2. Easily a couple hundred, Barry. Probably 500 maybe. I don't know. I would guess 500. I would guess. I really don't know though. Alright, here we go. Second box. Good luck. Here we go. First hit is Ichiro for the AL West. Out of 92, Ichiro gray jersey. No, definitely a beautiful card to keep, Barry. I mean, you could always send it back to us and have us sell it for you if you decide. I would keep it for now if I were you. 4 out of 92. That's just my opinion. So another hit for... No, this is Yankees. Sorry. Sorry, Josh. I just saw Ichiro. I didn't even look at the team. Yes, Yankees. So this goes to Josh. AL East. AL East for Josh. Alright. Next card. Dale Murphy. Dale Murphy Silver Ink out of 99 for the Brew Crew. So that goes to Barry as well. 85 out of 99. Nice. Barry's going to keep it. Sweet. I love it. I love it, man. That's awesome. You got a bat knob of the Wizard. Alright, so Dale Murphy Silver out of 99 for Barry. We got a redemption. It is Matt Kemp. 5-star active and retired single autograph relic for the NL West. So that goes to Josh. So another hit for Josh. Matt Kemp single autograph relic. 5-star active and retired for Josh. Wow. Hall of Fame auto. Let me cover that and do the base card first. Okay, wow, I got a nice Wade Boggs Rainbow Parallel out of 10. Very nice. AL East for Josh. 9 of 10 Rainbow. They're selling really well on eBay. All of those Rainbow cards numbered to 10. Nice card. Alright, so that goes to Josh with the base card. And let's see, let's do this one first. And then we'll do the Hall of Fame numbered to 10. Here you go, Josh. Will Middlebrooks for the Sox. Blue ink out of 150. Another nice card for Josh. Blue ink out of 150. Will Middlebrooks. That's a nice card. Oh, it's the official rookie, too. I didn't notice that. Great rookie card there. Very nice. Okay, and we have a 5-star nicknames Hall of Fame auto here, numbered to 10. Another monster nice card. Here we go. Hall of Famer numbered to 10. Another one for Barry. Bob Gibson, Gibby, 5 of 10. NL Central. Wow. 5 of 10. Bob Gibson, Gibby. That is nasty. Barry, having yourself a break, man. 5 of 10. Bob Gibson, very nice card. Okay. Here we go, last case. Oh boy, we got. Okay, you guys know what that means when they're packed right up to the top. It usually means there's a book in here. Cards packed right up to the top. Let's see, I think we got a book. Oh, we got a book, sweet. We have a 2012 Topps 5-star 3-piece signatures. So this is going to be a 3-piece relic and an autograph. 3-piece relic and an auto. It should be a single player. Oh, there's the empty box too. I forgot to show you guys that earlier. John Kruk. Alright. We have pull out that. All right, here we go. First cards, Derek Jeter out of 80. Derek Jeter, 24 out of 80 for the Yankees. So another nice Yankees base there. All right, here we go. First hit is Prince Fielder out of 92. Sorry, Josh, you got all 3 base cards, I think. Did you? Yeah, you got the Kemp. Yep, the Kemp, the Boggs, and the Jeter. All right, Prince Fielder out of 92, Jumbo. That goes to AL Central, so that goes to Josh. Josh with the Prince Fielder. Up next is a nice card. Up next we have, I think you know who that is, Barry. Ryan Sandberg, autographed bat relic. And that is 1 out of 97 for Barry. Barry is just cleaning house right now. 1 out of 97. Sandberg on-card auto with a bat relic. How nice is that, Barry? Your computer's melting. Barry, boy, when you're hot and breaks, huh? Okay, we got a couple nice cards left. Here we go. First up is Al Kaline. Nice card for AL Central. So another nice one for Josh. That's a beautiful auto, too. Very nice penmanship. Al Kaline, blue, and that's out of 206. 193 out of 206 for Josh. So Al Kaline, on-card auto. That's very nice auto, absolutely. Okay, so another one for Josh, and we got one more auto for that book. Here it is, NL West, so another one for Josh. Trevor Bauer, blue ink, 96 out of 150. So 96 out of 150, Trevor Bauer, blue ink. Very nice. Very nice rookie. So another one for Josh. Here we go, guys. 3-piece signatures book. This should be a single player, I imagine. Here we go. Good luck. It is... who is that? Ryan Braun. Oh my god, another one for Barry. Wow. Ryan Braun for the Brewers. 22 out of 49. Another National League Central team. Holy crap. 22 out of 49, so not quite as nice of a book as you'd expect from 5-star. 3 single color patches, but it's the base version out of 49. So 22 out of 49, blue ink on card. Nice card. Another nice one for Barry. Barry just walked away with the king of that break, I would have to say. Yeah, that is a boring book, yeah. $22 out of 49. Good stuff. Anybody that missed it, this is what we just said earlier. OZZIE Smith bat knob, 101 for the cards. This went to Mr. Barry. So I open up the box and then instantly see bat knob. That's unreal. I can't believe this card either, especially since we were talking about the Babe Ruth bat knob so much tonight. We were talking about the Babe Ruth bat knob, and then all of a sudden that just came up. I know, Josh, right? You should have taken his offer and just sold him the Cubs. He would have been happy too with the Sandberg. Alright, so Jose got Jesus Montero autograph relic, Edgar Martinez autograph. Josh's stack's pretty thick here. Got a couple base cards. Trevor Bauer auto, Al Kaline auto, Prince Fielder jumbo, Derek Jeter out of 80, Middlebrooks auto, Wade Boggs rainbow out of 10, nice card there. Matt Kemp auto, Ichiro relic, Andre Ethier base, Joe Mauer auto, and a Chris Sale silver ink for Josh. And Barry's haul was certainly the most impressive. Sandberg out of 97, Bob Gibson nicknames out of 10. That's just awesome. Signed as Gibby. Unreal. Dale Murphy, silver out of 99. The 3-piece book of Ryan Braun. And OZZIE Smith, 101. Unreal. Very, very nice. And Barry has decided to keep the OZZIE Smith bat knob because he doesn't have a bat knob yet, so that's awesome. Barry, I thought you got the Castro bat knob. Did you get outbid on that? Nice, Goner. I know who has that too. The guy decided to keep it. He put it on eBay for a few days and then decided to take it off. Ah, you got sniped on it?